Dumela, Tesme, ka time kana. Ho ho. Sibayilishita.
Damn.
Barwetsala wira la ka time.
Uyazi angikhulumi intwana yami isho.
Tona ya mona boy nkwatele boy wona boy wena siweni ngani izolo kanti.
Izolo mfana msibe eKrugersdom kwenye event graduation mfana.
Mara la itisani. Mara ngiyabuya boy ngoma next week ngilapho boy.
Khuleka sonke shukuthi.
Khuleka cause la mara umnandi veli.
Mnandi wena.
Ngiyabongela naseminyaka nomusha. Ngakera. Ngashiya amapati.
Mina soze.
Hayi ngicimi la intwana ngilayo.
Wena ufuna sidlala igame.
Asofuna ukustropa moya ya. Asi account yami le baba. What? No, best restrict, why?
Hi. Guys, hi guys. Guys, I'm thinking something. Ask me, what are you thinking? Oh guys, Iman. You know what are you thinking? Oh. Happy New Year otherwise guys. Ngithina guys mangayeza ama-hoodie Smiley Entertainment. Ngizowathenga now. Ningathi you didn't tell us. Mangayeza ama-hoodie. Look here, Smiley Entertainment. Ngizowathenga now. If vela ngikwathenga, it's no. If uyowathenga, it's yes. I can see. Bring dollar. Yeah, uthola guys. Sina 1 month singashoot. Maybe khani subela to shoot. This month ngizobona ama-video akonyeke kakhulu. Next month ngizobona wakadola. Maybe sibashintshisa ngama-months. So guys, ngifuna ikipa nama-hoodie or ikipa or ama-hoodie. Tshelani mina. Nizikhethele nama-price la. Nikhetheni ne-price. Manifuna ngithengise nge-300 comment. Manifuna ngithengise nge-400 comment. FC JJ's keeper. Shimfana mamtayini. TK intana yami isho 250. Okay. 350 titakas. Oh 300 ish. Yabona lapho ke maybe uzobe deliver yimi ngiba. So keep Smile Entertainment. Ooh, something new. Hi guys, ningasa comment my price cause ngitshela ngama 50k. Ngisenzothi Smile yakho. Thank you guys. Today is in Bambi Wi-Fi sector. So keep it I'm a hoodie or I'm a t-shirt. Hoodie or t-shirt color. Hoodie or t-shirt. Oh, both. I will see. Oh, movie. Thank you. At least I'm a kaya proud now when again.
Jesus.
Oh, both I'm saying.
Missing kid, suicide. You must feel like a big city cop again, huh, Chief?
No, I mostly dealt with strangers back then. Benny was my friend.
Smash up as soon as this host attack. Nepende wangu 1981. I was come back, I was busy because I feel like Shinzozo ngibona namuthapha wasekhaya. Well, nisheshe wahamba ku 15,000 page. Guys, this is not my event money. How much deliver? The delivery for what? Also when Batala 2026 now, so siap local. Batala. Ma? No. Yes. Guys, because I'm not going to put a giveaway. Hey guys, I'm going to put you for you. No. Must be a soft life. Yeah, tell them.
No.
Mole que sale live, scam países.
Really? Check out my ad?
Que sale live. Que sale alive.
Never had. Why did you call mom? Soon she just forgot
Soon
where it
name.
was. You know, he was lost.
Cameron Laram. The woman let love up with you.
Tell your mother she's gotta get you out of that telephone. Here in the city. Keep it more real here, you know?
Karam irom labazali liso. Rom labazali.
You think I know the city? I know you don't.
ungithengele iPhone, ngingana iPhone. Tomato. Yeah, se mama yabong ngihleli so. Tumelo ntirela teng ngwanaka you. Tumelo. Guys, who said I have man? Ngibhuku kanje. Gatekeep. Hi guys. We are partner. Yeah, yabo. Ngihleli kumla ka mama. Ngibukele no.
If you don't want your kid. Hi guys, so did you know that if you are South African, you can qualify for a...
Ngikho tika bang follow no bang follow. Ngizobutha bang follow. I'm coming available everywhere. Might smile entertainment. How can I say 50K guys? Abang follow never. I think it's bugele go live. Oh. Can phone leisure. Manya mo yung I'm not going to YouTube guys.
The people that are winning right now, they're not smarter than you. They just stopped making excuses. They started moving forward. If you're sick and tired of being stuck, I want you to type the word I'm in. Let's change your situation. Otherwise, it's another month, a year of thinking about it.
Guys, these things are cool. Foot my will start. I'm going to support YouTube. Ku TikTok, I'm going to support. Where must I drop most? If I don't drop a TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, that's cool. Guys, imagine a brainstorm. That's I'm going to get a content. Okay, I'll start dropping on YouTube most. You can find them on one.
Sure.
Sure.
Grand.
Mnandi.
Mnandi.
Yeah. Guys, so are you gay?
No.
Why are you gay? Yeah, 2 is enough. Mang zamile ngitopa kay 3.
How are you?
Good morning.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila.
Wema.
Awufethu. Kanjawona
Indaba.
phela kunabo abantu khathi beyingenela Nkosi yami
Oh. Sebayafona abomashonisa ke. Abahleki bafuna imali zabo. Asimshayeni guys before abuye angaboni next.
Hello. Bonjour.
Isharp wena.
Eh?
Isharp wena.
Sharply now. Hey, Mara, there's only one viewer, so who's gonna be live? It's in Tiran. Binjani Chris. 33. Bogi. Kanjani. Hi, boy, saying lose and couldn't any live. Hi, bo.
Niba bakusendele yonke into abayithembile ngeke niwini.
Shimabana next love. Abana next show. Nizmusheli isikhathi.
Ngani yami.
Wenzani today? New Year, how's the New Year?
Mina ngihlala eDubai so sisase ku 2025.
Wey, unamang. Dubai sekuyi New Year already. Come on.
Simele u12 la.
Wey, yazini.
Past 11 man. Uyazwa? Khala
Usibonisa
amacricket.
ama-cricket ke siyacela. Siyazicelela.
Ufuna kukhomba yini?
I think it's like maybe ngizowina. Ngisicela usibonise nasama-cricket.
Oza kukhomba.
Ngirecruit abantu manje, ngirecruit abantu simaba like i-live yami. Ngirecruit abantu. Okay.
No. Nakhe?
Wow, shame. Nemali.
Nakhe?
Animemali yo animemali sheme Dubai cause ama-creator ngako unothola kuphi
Lana awathengo uNkulunkulu mayithi 12 o'clock yawaphonsa.
yo uMuhammad
True God. Jesus Dubai.
eDubai babathandaza uMuhammad yabona
Lapho ithi why wafufanisa
Alex ngwasi Alex ngiyakubona ngakhe ngakubona
wena manje why wena ufuna ukufanisa nabafana base Alex awazi ukuthi angizwani nawo ufana base Alex
ngakhe ngakubona Alex ngiyakhumbula
nongifanisi nomfana base Alex
serious ngiyakhumbula yazi ngakhe ngakubona Alex I think konje bongena Ungena 18.
8C.
Yeah, 18.
Hey, kuba umahlalela ne uvela ukhumbule nama-classmate wakho wonke.
Ubani? Mina ngiyasebenza, hayibo. Mina ngiyasebenza hle yazi.
Ukusebenza e-airport sayazi akumelanga ukuthi you are working, you are trying.
Hayi shem, mina ngiyasebenza shem. Ngiyasebenza.
And wena uyabonakala ukuthi wena kade ongabakopisa abangani bakho. Manje phela bonke ama-pilot abangani bakho wena uhleli. Ubukela i-TikTok una 160 followers makachomi yazi.
Uyabona mara wena. Kuyabonakala ukuthi wena usafunda isikole, usagwarana. Hayi shem, akho serious ngempilo, uyabona? Usagwarana. Asigwarane. Wasigwarane ngiqale. Ngiqale nje ngiqale. Ngikware phela. Bese sidrama.
Wena uwe osisi wakho lapho esayidini.
Bani, hayi girlfriend yami le. Girlfriend yami.
Ufuna ukukhombisa yami.
Yo, ngosibonisa. Skipper, siyaphila Nkosi, how are you? Usibonisa girlfriend yakho. Phela ngagcina wena uyishimani. Hayi bo, hey girlfriend. Oh, girlfriend yami. Ngicela umhloniphi, ngicela uthi Madlomo mambizi. Ungambizi ngegama. Ungathi girlfriend uthi Madlomo. Phela ngamlobola. Ngamlobola nje, lobola asinto ezokudlala. Yenza phela sibone girlfriend yakhe angiyazi hayi ngazili. Ubani manje lo? Hayi hayi wena. Yebo uMadlomo guys lo nembona. Hayi bo ayilose kanjani? How manje ningeza. Ngicela rematch. Ellen, please like the live. Ngiyacela, just do it for me nyawo Ellen mfethu. Nawe Nkosi. Ngiyacela nje Nkosi mfethu ngikutshela i-secret, ngitshela isikhathi singiphi today. Ngikutshela. Konje bengifuna uthini? Nyamazi lo. Kama like umbali. Anyamazi.
Uyabonakala ukuthi awuna idea la yenzani wena. Ubani bani?
Athi yala emzansi, which means I pick bar.
Was in idea semzansi. Was in idea semzansi kandono bye. Because like Helen, now Ellen, please guys, please how. Niyabona ukuthi 15 guys. Hayi wrong shame.
Oh, what show me manje nithi siyanini ku men's conference because yina madoda.
Hayi. Yabona ke. Yabonakala ukuthi wena nje ngiyasho namanje uthi unawujoli wena. Ubasele yile uthi ngihleli nesitoko sami like. Ngiyakubona. Ngiyakubona ukuthi abantu
akekho la 4,000 yabantu abasha.
Yesada sa. Amthuke lapha amthuke.
Sinesikhathi abantu abanganangqondo.
Yeah, exactly. Yabo. Yesibo. Konje ngifuna uthini? Hayi bomdluli mfethu why follow omunye umfana? Why follow omunye umfana ukhona amantombazana? Nile creator ngilona mos. Usmile lot. Yabonakala ukuthi khamela kunisibusiso wena.
Mayile lokathi busiso kanti nina nifunde phi nini?
Sifunde wini madikizele yakwazi?
Ngiyakwazi siDubai ke.
Onye ukwazi eDubai ngikhohliwe yazi mara thina sifunde wini. Ba esikoleni sethu kune pool.
Ewini. ngiyabona ngathi ngihlala la iwini la tom no
Hayibo.
into eniyaziyo ukuthi nilwela amanzi la nilwela ugesi ibridge
Awukwazi wena wini ngiyakubona. Awusazi isikolo sami esidumile. Awusazi shem. Awusazi.
Akasazi seDubai angithi.
vele le abantwana abasewini vele ayekho miwona umuhle
Oh.
Hey, bathi bazothengela ipizza la ubhuti wami omdala. Eish, sidla everyday ipizza lana kithi, sidla nepapa. La kithi sidla ipizza nepapa Hayi baba mfethu. Kumele sigibele into manje. I-plane. Hayi sigibele i-plane seDubai nathi.
hard body
Bye.
hard body